Let's play Spiderman Web of Shadow Part 27. And wait, did she just leave me? That bitch left me. Holy shit! Wow, just like I gave her superpowers, I gave her more power, and she just what a slut. Anyways, let's get going. Oh, that was awful. I wanted to grab that thing. Level 9! Booyah! Kasha! Okay, come on. Yes! To go see Fat Man. There, Fat Man!
Yes, your money has been wired. The device is in place. Now begin the detonation sequence.
Whee!
Stay away from the device.
Oh, pish
Nice
posh.
to find you all so cooperative.
Hold it right there, Spider-Man.
Nice to see you too.
You infected that woman.
She was hot!
You're one of them.
That woman is my friend.
One word from me and you're...
Shut the fuck up. You ain't nothing to me. I'm awesome. You suck.
Damn you, Toons.
Oh no.
Huh. These guys get their ass kicked because guess what? They guys suck. These guys suck.
Lieutenant Miller, come in.
I don't think he can respond.
I'm sure all of you can see and hear me. I've easily defeated your pathetic forces and have cut the data link to the Tinkerer's little toy.
Okay.
Toombs, what do you want?
We are so much more than Adrian Toombs, and we have but one demand. Spider-Man.
Oh, really?
He knows why. He carries part of us with him. In fact, he is the reason we are here at all.
That is technically true.
This one's no longer useful.
Come on.
Good day.
Whee! You know what the truth is? That is so horrifying. I would be scared. I'd probably be free
I'm
out of
calling
my
in an
mind.
airstrike.
We need that building intact.
Hey, you heard him. He's calling me out. This is all really quite simple. The strong survive, and the
weak
die.
die.
Gentlemen, we must prepare for the worst. Spider-Man can no longer be trusted.
Oh, fuck you guys. You guys are assholes. Your Tinkerer and Mass Anime, he probably killed 500. Kingpin probably murdered 50. And you guys are S.H.I.E.L.D. You guys keep everything to yourself. You probably have a nuclear bomb under your couch. Yeah. You guys suck. I'm the only good thing that happened to the city by kicking ass. Speaking of kicking ass, boing. Let her in this up. We're kicking ever-loving ass into the grave. I really hope that level would boost up the thing. But, can't get what you want. But what I want is not them. I want 8. I want 2.
That's as close as I get.
Nope. Yes. Come on, log on to that guy. There we go. No! Bullshit! There we go. I'm just like, no. Come on.
I had this black suit thing going on years ago.
Yeah, you can't steal my style.
Like,
Your friends will be of no help to you.
They're not my friends. Let them die. I'm coming for you. Come on. Come on. Really? You think this is enough to stop me? Damn it, I can't get a lock on to this stupid bastard of a bastard. There we go. Come on! Man, so weak. Even my weakest form can beat your ass. Well, if he can aim upwards, yes he can. Okay, you know what? Screw it. Done messing around. Especially with a weakling like you. Pathetic ass weakling. Okay, just had to check on something. I'm back. Okay, let's get back into this. And where was I? Oh yeah, I was kicking your friggin' ass in, Tim. Come on.
What? Now I'm your waiter? You really are senile.
Oh. Oh, that's kind of mean. I didn't do anything to you. All I did was kick your damn ass in because you're such a weakling. Come on, seriously? Gonna mess with me like this? Come on, Tim. Come on! Nice. Okay, we were nowhere near there, but still, I'm gonna kill you. I take that, thank you. Thank you for your next play. Come on. And booyah. Weakling. I should have just cut him into pieces and kill him. Oh well.
You think this will really stop Venom? He is far too powerful for Tinker's little toy to hurt him. Set it off, and your power will be gone.
True.
Gone forever.
Oh wait,
Remove
no!
it.
I can't lose my ground pound things.
The Dark One
They make me look so badass. I don't want to lose those. I know what I must do. I must keep my ground pounds.
You're right about one thing, old man. This is about me and him.
True. Fuck your shit. Fuck your shit.
Spider-Man, what are you doing?
I'm gonna end this once and for all. I spared him 4 days ago, but not today. Today, Venom dies.
Spider-Man, I knew all along that you could not. Venom,
Oh, fuck
he's
you.
on board the helicarrier.
Nice move, Eddie. All right, you old buzzard, get me up to that helicarrier right now.
It is. If I did activate it, it would have escaped. It would have hit him probably. And then a nice place to cover. I think about time I take my reign on top. We're loading. We're loading. We're loading.
them all. How can one man hope to defeat them?
I'm taking down that ship and everything on it.
Nice.
Weapons, bombs. There'll be plenty inside the hangar bay, but it appears the hangar doors have been sealed.
Probably some automated defense protocol.
You could destroy the ship's defense system, and then I could reprogram the door controls.
Thanks for the tip.
Cool.
Now take me down to the
Oh,
deck.
that fucking
Finish
sucks.
this.
Good luck, boy. You'll need it.
I don't need luck. I have my skills and my abilities. I'm gonna win. And I'm gonna kill Venom in the process. Let go. Final showdown. There. It just reminded me of that one show. Okay, you know what? Never mind. But this ends it for part 27 of Crushed Blood, and we're gonna try to do this right here, which is gonna be awesome. Ready? I fucking succeeded, bitches. Please. Okay, this was Crushed Blood with you know, this game and stuff. You know, yeah. Okay, see you next time. Peace.